Hey, what do you think you're doing? Kaylin?
No, mine.
What do you mean yours? What have you got there? Hey, hey, hey. Stop, stop, stop. Kaylin. You got it on the ground. Naughty boy. Stop. Let go. Let go.
I'll talk it.
It's Nutella.
No.
This is what he has decided he wants for dinner.
I'll talk it.
No, that's not for dinner. It's a treat.
I'll talk it. I'll talk it.
He is my son.
No talk it.
Sweetie, if you eat all your dinner and you're a good boy, I'll give you one more spoon. Is it a deal?
Yeah.
Okay, good boy. Kaylin, get down.
No.
Down.
No. No.
Sweetheart. I know you like it, but you don't need it. Hey. Kaylin. Kaylin, we had a deal. We have a deal.
No!